On the day after Valentine's Day 2013, the world's gaze was fixed on the heavens, but not in anticipation of any romantic celestial display. Instead, astronomers worldwide were diligently polishing the lenses of their telescopes, poised for a highly anticipated event. Asteroid 2012 DA14 was set to make an extraordinarily close flyby of Earth. This formidable 150-foot rock, about the size of an Olympic swimming pool, would skirt our planet so intimately that it would actually pass significantly closer to us than our own communication satellites, those silent sentinels circling in geosynchronous orbits. The scientific community, and indeed the public, was utterly enthralled that day, completely captivated by this scheduled cosmic rendezvous. And, in an ironic twist of fate, everyone's telescopes, from the most advanced observatories to backyard amateur setups, were pointed the wrong way. For, early that very morning, halfway across the world, a truly astonishing and utterly unforeseen event unfolded. As the sun began to rise over the southern Urals of Russia, illuminating the quiet town of Chelyabinsk, the sky itself seemed to ignite. Without warning, a different, unseen visitor, estimated to be about 65 feet in size, roughly half the length of 2012 DA14, and possessing a mass greater than the iconic Eiffel Tower, had entered our atmosphere. This uninvited guest detonated with incredible force, not on the ground, but high above Chelyabinsk, some 14 miles up. The explosion was immense, an estimated 500 kilotons of energy released, a staggering 20 to 30 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. For a fleeting moment, the flash in the sky was an astonishing 30 times brighter than the sun itself, searing itself into the collective memory of thousands. Then came the shockwave, a truly devastating concussive force that radiated outwards. It shattered windows across an incredible 200 square miles, sending shards of glass flying and knocking people literally off their feet. Imagine the sudden disorienting chaos, a blinding flash followed by a deafening roar, and then the terrifying sensation of the very ground beneath you trembling. The human cost was significant, though miraculously not in lives. Over 1,500 people were injured, many by flying glass. In some harrowing cases, individuals suffered burns, with at least one person losing skin from their face, likely from the intense radiation flash. Yet, against all odds, despite the sheer power of this cosmic impact, despite the widespread destruction and injury, there were no fatalities. This fact alone stands as a testament to an almost unbelievable stroke of luck, or perhaps a kind of collective resilience. This event, now known as the Chelyabinsk meteor, marked a profound moment in our understanding of near-Earth objects. It was the first verifiable impact in recorded history that resulted in significant injury to humans, a stark contrast to the massive Tunguska event of 1908, where no evidence of human injury was ever found. The world was not just shaken by the power of the explosion, but doubly so by the complete and utter surprise of it all. How could something so large, so powerful, approach our planet undetected? Experts soon offered explanations, shedding light on why this particular celestial wanderer caught us so off guard. Despite its considerable size, being 4 to 10 times larger than another asteroid detected in 2008, known as 2008 TC, they claimed it was still considered too small for our current detection systems to reliably track in advance. But there was another crucial factor. This asteroid approached Earth from the east, with the sun directly behind it. This made it extraordinarily difficult to detect, both visually with telescopes and even with infrared sensors, which would have been blinded by the intense glare of the sun. It was, in essence, an invisible hammer, swinging from a solar blind spot, striking with no prior warning. The Chelyabinsk meteor event serves as a potent, humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. It laid bare our vulnerabilities, showcasing just how quickly and unexpectedly a threat from space can emerge, even when our attention is focused elsewhere. It was a wake-up call, spurring renewed global efforts in asteroid detection and planetary defense. But more than that, it's a story of shocking survival. A city, a region, faced an astronomical force on a scale rarely witnessed and emerged without a single fatality. It speaks to the incredible chance involved, the specific altitude of the explosion, and perhaps the rapid, instinctive reactions of the people who experienced it. The invisible meteor, appearing from the sun's glare, delivered a terrifying shockwave, yet Chelyabinsk endured. It invites us to ponder not only the vastness and unpredictable nature of space, but also the resilience of life on Earth. What are your thoughts on this extraordinary event? Did you remember hearing about it when it happened? Please share your reflections in the comments below. And if you found this story thought-provoking, consider subscribing or following for more journeys into the surprising corners of our universe and our history.